What's up guys, Shawn here. So today we're gonna fly the Parrot Anafi again. So as you know on my channel, I was really into the Parrot Anafi for a while and then I just stopped making videos about it. Well, what happened was there was a firmware update and either my iPhone X or something within the drone didn't work too well with the update. So I worked with customer service at Parrot to try to fix the issue, and then when I was on the phone with the customer service agent, the calibration wasn't correct in the drone or something like that, and the drone flew right into a parking garage. So after communication back and forth with customer support, I sent them my drone and they sent me a replacement drone. So big props to Parrot's customer service for doing a great job and replacing the drone under warranty pretty quick. It was like a week and a half when the turnaround happened. But we've got the new Parrot Anafi out right now. I've upgraded to the latest firmware on the drone, and I've upgraded to the latest firmware on the new controller I have. So we're gonna take it off the ground, guys. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so when I sent it off to customer support, the drone was kind of wavering or whatever. I got 48 flights in it. So this is my 49th flight, but my first flight ever with this drone. So let's check it out guys, let's fly it.
Feel the most when I'm alone. I think of you 'cause when you're gone, I remember the feelings, they're hidden in the dark. I never let my feelings show. I feel the most when I'm alone, but now the rush is longing to be waking up. I belong in your future, fighting in the dark. You never let your feelings show anymore. We don't kiss the way we used to anymore. You hold me like you used to anymore. You're holding on to feelings, let them pour out on me. On me. What's the point to be alone? My life is empty without you, there'd be no home. I done wrong in the past, but I was fighting in the dark, and I won't hold my feelings back anymore. I wanna kiss the way we used to anymore. You don't have to wait anymore. could hear my father's voice. He would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat, drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home.
Successful flight. So when I reset the app on my phone, I reset all my settings. So I was at kind of a loss at first because my settings were kind of back to beginner mode. So I flew up and I could only go 98 feet up in the air because my geofence was set to 98 feet. So I flew around for a little bit, but decided at this spot, I'm on a huge hill. So at this spot, you go up 98 feet and you're looking at that tree over there. So I flew around a little bit, flew over the apartments, flew over the trees a little bit, but I was kind of just skimming the tops of the trees. So I brought it back down and I went into settings and I adjusted so I could at least go 200 feet. Since I just got this back and it's the first flight on the drone, I don't want to go crazy and fly as far as I can with it because there's a good chance I'll just lose this one. So but yeah, it was an awesome flight. So let's pack up and go back to work, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel for more videos on the Parrot Anafi. Yeah, have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.